Hi everyone, I'm Councillor Jim Mason, Chair of the Environment Portfolio. The Aussie Backyard Bird Count gets underway on the 17th of October. It's the perfect opportunity for families, older people, community groups and everyone in between to become citizen scientists. By capturing a snapshot of Australia's birds, you'll provide important data to BirdLife Australia that will increase our understanding of native species. It's super easy and it only takes 20 minutes in your backyard, local park or favourite outdoor space. All you need to do is count the number of species you spot and record them in the Aussie Bird Count app. Let's do our bit to help protect the region's unique bird life.